In this video, I'm gonna show you how to blur background in Premiere Pro. So let's say for example that we're gonna blur this subject over here. Just click on Effects and then search for Gaussian Blur and see Gaussian Blur. Just click and drag to your video. And over here you'll see Pen Tool under Gaussian Blur. But if you don't see Gaussian Blur over here or this section over here, click on this arrow over here and click on Effect Controls. So from here on, just click on the pen tool, mask this person over here. And now that you've masked your subject, just make sure you see Gaussian Blur, probably set it like this. Inverted. Now it looks like this. But in order for it to look better, just make sure that you feather it around correctly. Probably around like this area over here, and then lower the blurriness to probably like 15, and there you have it. That's about it. Thank you for watching this video.